Hey guys, Sergio Angioni, Housemaster Home Inspections, doing a single family home here in Clifton, New Jersey. I want to show you one of the things that we sometimes find. This machine looks like it's working fine. There's a piece of paper here I thought was debris. When you pull this out, you can hear the noise. So sometimes you want a home inspector that's going to look inside of things that are supposed to be working well and figure out why the homeowner or tenant did something that really wasn't 100% right. Housemaster Home Inspections, home inspections done right, guaranteed.